Welcome back to another video. This is your host, Hunter. Welcome back, and once again, I'm here with you. Today's announcement involves the next video on this video. Alright, that would be playing the infamous piano. The same exact piano that was featured in one of the videos last week. Go back. I need you to go back 5 videos back, and we will be playing that piano right there. Yep, y'all remember piano from 2011. Yeah, we'll be playing that. We will be playing the. I'll be playing the almost tracked. I'll be playing along to the track. Y'all might know the track. It's familiar. Y'all played it. I mean, not y'all played it. Y'all heard it a couple times in my videos when I featured it in it. Not Sunset and Beats. Not the. I never read the name of the tracks when I pick them, but not Sunset in Beats. The main one the main music. Matter of fact, if you're trying to know what the music is, hold on. I recorded it off of here because I'll be playing it along with. You find it though. And if y'all are wondering, it's the Oh My track. It's in the YouTube studio, and I think it's also on the No Copyright Music channel. Otherwise, it's probably hard to find. Because I found the Sunset in Beats. I found the Sunset in Beats. Yeah, I found the Sunset in Beats off the YouTube studio, and when I searched it up on YouTube, it was also on the No Copyright Songs channel. And I found it. I am talking about this infamous track right here. Yeah, y'all hear it. I'll be playing along to that on my piano. So if you have not, first of all, if you have not watched the video, y'all need to go back and go watch that video. Oh, shoot. Y'all need to go back and watch that video because y'all do not want to miss this area. I'm going to be playing, like I said, I'm going to be playing on that piano. I'm going to be playing along to the beat on that piano. On that keyboard, yes. And I'm not going to play it on regular piano mode because obviously it already has the piano mode on there when I blend the track in. So of course it's a keyboard with multiple different sounds in there. So yeah. All right, but yeah. But otherwise than that, today's video involves the lunch video that I am going to be doing. All right. Yesterday we had a little cookout, and I am going to be doing that for a lunch video. Obviously, making the leftovers for it. All right. Actually, scratch that. If you guys haven't been watching, we are making grilled cheese peanut butter and jelly sandwich this time. Not grilled peanut butter and jelly, and not microwave grilled peanut, not microwave grilled cheese peanut butter. All right, we are spicing it up, we are adding an ingredient with the peanut butter and jelly, and it might be a little bit gross, but we are just doing a taste test. So let's get started. So we are doing a taste test, obviously, on how peanut butter and jelly sandwich will taste like with cheese. But the first thing we need to do is go toast the bread. So let me go pick up. Let me go get a piece of bread. Get a thing of bread. Now let's go toast this bad boy up. And my dad took the townhouse, so let me just go make sure. Because the last ingredient is cheese. He'll probably watch my video anyway, but he's not here still. Yeah, he'll probably watch my video. Just open up this new coffee pot mom got. I'm sitting the camera beside, so you all know. One of these is open. We gotta get somebody to untie this. What a drag. I don't think so. Can somebody open this? Help me open this. Where's she? Oh. Is somebody else on it? Okay. Just wanted to make sure first. Mom just asked. Thank you. Alright, y'all. Just take this whole sack back in the kitchen first before we get started. Before we get started, we only have to go back there once because the toaster is back there. But we do not have to go back there a second time, because you know why? Y'all gonna love this. 3, 2, 1. Boom! A new microwave has arrived. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Look at that. No burnt nothing in there. So, the rules we gotta go by, technically, we have to, the rules we have to go by, technically, we have to, of course, clean it out as soon as we're done eating. Otherwise, I'm not making anything that's messable in that microwave. So that's good. So, yeah. Otherwise, we'll be using that microwave for part 2. Because this one is obviously part 1. Part 1 of peanut butter and jelly, which is the toast. Which is the toasted up. So, yeah, it's obviously gonna break into parts. If I have my Gmail verified, right now, y'all wouldn't get a 15-minute video. So, yeah. Alright. While that is done, while that is toasting, let me tell y'all that I will also be playing along with some other tracks in the YouTube studio. Yeah, I'll be playing along with some other tracks from the YouTube studio following this Oh My track that I've got. So, yeah. So yes, I will also be playing along with Sunset. Come on, battery. I will also be playing along with Sunset and playing along to that Sunset and Beach track. That's on there. And I know I haven't been using it because, yeah. But the first time I started my YouTube and I asked how that person, I had asked that person, how the person who did the YouTube, how they edit in their studios, and also and obviously it was in a live stream. That person is vlogging with Angie and kids. Shout out to her. The advice she had gave me in this situation when I'm using YouTube Studio is to make sure, and I mean really make sure you don't get copyrighted off of that, because I had checked a couple videos, and a couple videos most already used that, so I obviously find out what tracks to use that nobody has used yet, and that is that Oh My track, that Sunset in Beats, and other tracks from the YouTube studio. So right now, guys, I'm gonna end this video for part 2. Let this battery charge up just a little bit so I can get it ready for part 2. The bread is currently toasting up in the back, so I can continue with this video. All right, gotta go. Peace.